Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, got down.
I just want to run by here and see how to do this. Everybody that was out on show. The river got to see a man downtown, the rain charge warming up.
Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island with the weekend waves. Good morning on the band. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the weekend wave. Break, break, break.
Heavy this morning, prayed and heavy this morning. 225, checking on me. Just taking first day in Mississippi, just got up.
Whole lot of hash and trash out here in the deep waters of Coney Island this morning, but it ain't no excuse on the bowl. There's a whole lot of hash and trash out here in Coney Island this morning, but there ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island, get down.
Good morning, Trinitron. Michael Brown, waving.
Right back, Michael Brown, you cleaned up my radio. Hey, Michael Brown, you done cleaned up the Coney Island base station. Welcome to the weekend. Michael Brown, Trinitron9, get down. And that's a Michael Brown Roger. Bye, bye, bye.
Six in the trees got down. They found him dead yesterday morning and tracked down, bye.
It ain't no excuses on the bowl. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the weekend waves. No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the weekend waves. Just get down.
You know, down here, Dr. Chip around the sunny shore with the bye-bye wave, and I get right with you. Hey, 999. Hey, 9, see, I'm with you. Dr. Chip, 226 gone, bye-bye. You Dr. Chip, bye-bye.
Trinitron9 just riding this wave, weekend wave. Trinitron9, Coney Island, get down. Whole lot of hash and trash out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. Whole lot of hash and trash out here in the deep waters of Coney Island, but no excuses on the bowl. No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
The water cooler. Good morning, the water cooler. Old Steakin' Foot with a good morning. Water cooler with the water cooler. Steakin' Foot right back. I know you're still in the fire and getting in somebody's business this morning, baby.
It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the morning wave. No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the morning wave. Just got down.
Hey, ladies, Steakin' Foot, a little bit of skinny boy, 2 a.m. on the right back, baby. In the Magnolia South, guess I ain't got no conditions in the Great Lakes. No lodge around the Great Lakes. Stay barred in the Magnolias, ready to know.
Hey, SinBad, look around Coney Island. Hey, SinBad, look around Coney Island. Hey, SinBad, look around Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the morning wave. Break. I'll get back on SinBad, number 9, Coney Island, get down.
Right back, number 9. There's a whole bunch of niggas out there swinging them sticks this morning at Blue Show. Good morning, number 9, SinBad and the Magnolia waving at you, bye.
Right back, SinBad, you sounding good in these deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, SinBad, you sounding real good in these deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, SinBad, number 9, Coney Island. Number 9, Coney Island. Bye.
Yeah, right. No one says if you touch the sugar today or tomorrow or Sunday, you tell sugar should come on. If you touch the sugar,
Trinitron9 said it ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island said there ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down.
Put some towels in the dry.
Y'all making a lot of noise in these deep waters of Coney Island. Y'all making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Island this morning. Go ahead and talk on your radio and have fun. It ain't no excuse in the bowl. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island just got down. Ain't no excuses on the boat. Go ahead and talk on your radio and do your thing. It's your thing. It ain't no excuses on the boat. Trinitron9, Coney Island just got down. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island just got down. With the worldwide Coney Island wave just got down.
Hey, Mr. JB Stone, do you be the one out of Mississippi? Do you be the one out of Mississippi? Hey, Mr. JB Stone, you can move back to Chicago. All right, JB Stone, take a flip. I tell you what.
Wave and walking on this water. Break.
Come on. I'll see you very quickly.
It's rough out here in Coney Island. But there ain't no excuse on the boat. Trinitron9 with the weekend wave said it's rough out here in Coney Island, but there ain't no excuse on the boat. Good morning, welcome to the weekend. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
Hey, double nigga, I knew it wouldn't be long for some of them long folks gonna come out here and dust my bridges. Bye, double nigga, bye. Bring his he ain't drive more nigga for a conversation. I'm finna go down there and just put my towel on the dry.
Island, it ain't no excuse on the boat. Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down.
What's going on to the big apple? Hey, all right, now, sounding good down here in 10, buddy. Just thought I'd bump it down and let you know. Out of 10, put it on you later. Trinitron9, you and the family enjoy your day. Have a good weekend. I'll see you, buddy. Toodaloo.
Take care, my friend. Have a good weekend. We'll do it again when we can. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island said it ain't no excuse on the boat. It ain't no excuse on the boat. Take care, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Bye.
I'll smoke your meat. Bye, Trinitron9. Bye.
Bye.
Your 931 sound like an Oscar mile well up and up to be sure. No, he can smoke. He can smoke some meat. 927. Good morning, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron, Michael Brown, right back. He's about.
Hey, Michael Brown, thanks for cleaning up my radio. Michael Brown, it ain't no excuses on the bowl. Hey, Michael Jackson, Michael Brown, it ain't no excuses on the bowl. Take care, Michael Brown. Trinitron9 said bye.
Good morning to you. Go and smoke your meat. No, you did right. Don't let Mike smoke your Michael Jackson. I'll take that. Hey, Trinitron, I'll take that. I'll be a Michael Jackson. I hear bad here. Damn sure nothing wrong with it that night. Hey, 103.
Bye, Michael Brown. Bye, Michael Brown, and more Michael Brown. Bye, Michael Brown, and more Michael Brown. Bye, Michael Brown, and more Michael Brown. Hey, Michael Brown, there ain't no excuse on the bowl. Hey, Michael Brown, there ain't no excuse on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down. Alright, do what you gotta do. Don't work too hard. Welcome to the weekend. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, got down.
Let Michael Brown toss your salad. Hey. Oh my goodness.
Trash out here in my ear hole. Who's gonna clean up my Coney Island base station? I got a whole lot of hash and trash out here in my ear hole, but it ain't no excuses on the bowl. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, got down.
Excuse me, you so freaking loud. I thought you said you want Michael Brown, your cousin of Toss. You gotta go crazy. Morning time, one more again. 9 around the Coney Island, Snake in 10, gone.
Right back, Snake Doctor. Hey, Snake Doctor, you still sounding good around Coney Island. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Hey, Snake Doctor, have a good weekend, man. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Hey, Snake Doctor, Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Island said bye.
You know me, I'm just out here having fun. I don't mean no harm, I'm having fun. Take care, 103. Be blessed, my brother. Real talk. I'm black out. The day is smoking.
Ain't no excuse on the bowl. Take care, Snake Doctor, and all the good time gang. I'm just playing in the water out here in Coney Island. I ain't got no excuses. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. I got a whole lot of noise in my ear hole, but it ain't no excuse on the bowl. Take care on the band, Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
I'll put on you later, 103. Switchblade, just want to have fun. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, there goes my fun. That's the end of my day. Oh, hell, there's no room shop.
Yeah, take care out there. I got some of that. Switchblades in my ear hole. I got some of that. Switchblades in my ear hole, but it ain't no excuse on the bowl. I got some of that out there, but switchblades in my ear hole, but it ain't no excuse on the bowl. Take care, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen said, have a good weekend. Bye.
Good horn away, bye. Stand by, old man, down, Jordan. You have to swear. Hey, old man, I'm going to put some towels. Oh, my goodness, little baby, I gotta go. Little baby, I missed him to call you.
It ain't no excuse on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, got down.
You think it's funny? Hey, 241, I'll be sitting this morning. Good morning, Tommy. Touch your toes.
Who gonna get switchblade out of my ear hole? That's the question in the morning. That's the question on the table. Who gonna get switchblade out of my radio? It ain't no excuse on the bowl, but I just want to know who gonna take switchblade out of my radio. It ain't no excuse on the bowl, but who gonna get switchblade out of my Coney Island radio while I ride this wave and walk on this water? Who gonna clean out this Coney Island base station? Trinitron9, Coney Island said no excuses on the bowl.
I ain't got a damn thing to do with it either. You know it's Mother Nature. And it looks like I got a little bit of it, Test 410. Hey, man, somebody else said, Mighty Snap, is that you? I sound like man, 103 on the radio, but you said...
No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island, walking and talking in these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm walking and talking in these deep waters of Coney Island. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the weekend wave. Just got down.
Oh, what's your meat, I read?
No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island. So let me get this thing out of the deep waters. Let me ride this wave back to the shoreline. Let me get this thing out of the deep waters and ride this wave to the shoreline. You got Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. You got Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island said, no excuses on the bowl.
I walk in the cat house, the cats go holler, there go the beef. It used to be the same way, it's the beef. Every time I walk in the damn cat house, they said, there go the beef. Take care, 103, bye-bye. Who's that around Detroit, Michigan? Who's that around Detroit, Michigan? No small watch in the magnolia looking, baby.
Hey, small white, get your mind over Detroit, Michigan. Look around Coney Island. Hey, small white, get your mind for Michigan. Look around Coney Island. Hey, small white, number 9, Coney Island. Number 9, Coney Island. Break.
Bill, you need to talk to the radio because you got 103 got my radio. I couldn't catch your voice. I heard you saying something about street. I can't hear you. But somebody about you country talking to you. Well, you got a conversation about you.
Number 9, Coney Island. Number 9, Coney Island. Riding the wave, walking on the water. Number 9, Coney Island. Riding the wave, walking on the water. Welcome to the weekend. Switchblades all in my ear hole, but it's all good. No excuses on the bow. Switchblades all in my ear hole out here in these deep waters of Coney Island, but it's all good. No excuses on the bow. Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down.
As far as that was about that mile, that 14.
Let me pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island, because I can't do no ghost talking. That's against my policy and it's bad for my reputation. That's line number 7. Thou shalt not ghost talk out of Coney Island. Let me get this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, Trinitron9. Riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down.
Body snatcher, put your name in the Hall of Fame because you did mine the same. Worldwide body snatcher, switchblade with no condition. Bye-bye.
I got his head. Hey, Starbox, I heard you between keys, man. I heard you in between shovel, all that. I heard you trying to hide over there. I don't know who's over nigga talking to. I kept in just keep seeing you. I kept in your headboard knocking my cabin heels off. Y'all take it.
I hear a whole lot of y'all jumping up and down like James Brown. I hear a whole lot of headshot dining and a whole lot of people jumping up and down like James Brown. But it ain't no excuse on the bowl. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
I tell you what's popping, cat nigga. They ain't got no. You gotta help it out this morning. Hey, I thought War Free got my radio. You sure got my radio there for sure. Hello to you, headboard knocking number 1. Your tag in the man. What's up?
I don't know what's going on. I got a whole lot of headshot dining in my ear hole. But it ain't no excuse on the bowl. I'm just waving a hand from these deep waters of Coney Island. I got a whole lot of headshot dining in my radio out here in Coney Island, but no excuse on the bowl. No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
To do something right. Hurt that boy. Take that double nigga. Take that 103. Good job. Switchblade, play out.
I can't hear nothing when Switchblade got that maul down. I can't hear a thing when Switchblade got that maul down, but I'm going to say good morning, good afternoon, good night to the whole wide world. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. It is what it is. It is what it is. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island with the wave, and I just got down.
Nigga, bye-bye.
All that is a William James country cause we run things down here, no doubt about it. Many imitators, man, all can imitate it, but never duplicate it cause William
No excuses on the bowl. Can anybody clean up my radio? That's the question of the morning. Can anybody clean up my Coney Island radio? Can anybody get Switchblade out of my ear hole? Can anybody get Switchblade out of my ear hole? He's all in my ear hole, but it ain't no excuse in the bowl. He's all in my ear hole, but it ain't no excuse in the bowl. The same old song. It ain't no excuse in the bowl. Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down.
Take Mother Nature with you, cat nigga.
Bye-bye, you sure is. Hey, Trinitron9, you sure is no excuse on the bowl. I'm trying to clean up one time I'll put hands on it, man. But I'm still working small. No doubt about it. Everything's up, man. Blood pressure. Talking to you, David, baby. Come on around, man.
You say you're going to do it one more time. You say you're going to do it one more time. You got in there. You got in there a little bit. You say you're going to do it one more time. You got in there a little bit. There ain't no excuse on the bowl. You got in there a little bit, man. That's how it is. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. Appreciate you trying to get in there one more time. And you got in there one more time. Do your thing. Talk on your radio. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. Take care again. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down. No excuses on the bowl. The same old song. Trinitron9 riding this wave and walking on this water. It ain't no excuse on the bowl. It is what it is. No excuses on the bowl. Your Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down.
Everybody says here, your sanctified blood is cleared out.
Hey, double nigga, I'm trying to hear somebody else. I'm going to Joliet next weekend. I want to have a good time. Watergate.
The same old song, no excuses on the boat. The same old song, no excuses on the boat. Let me pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island. I just wanted to check the water temperature. I see the water temperature's good. It's a good day to ride the wave and walk on the water. I got my helmet on, I got my goggles on, but I'm going to take a pause for the cause. I just wanted to check the water temperature out here in Coney Island. I just wanted to check the water temperature, and I don't have no excuses. I don't have one excuse to give you, because there ain't no excuses on the bowl. No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Get down.
Oh my goodness. Hey, double nigga, you got a helmet out this morning. It's gonna get a little rough, man. Your face, you show your ass. Take care, knuckles. Bye-bye.
It's a little rough. It's gonna get a little rough. Good morning, 241, Mr. Lowrider.
Where you go, Boogeyman? Trinitron9 trying to get it in your ear hole. Hey, Boogeyman, Trinitron9, Coney Island trying to get it in your ear hole.
You want to put your name in the Hall of Fame? Hey, Mr.
Let me get out of the deep waters of Coney Island. Let me get out of the deep waters of Coney Island. No ghosts talking in Coney Island. Let me get out of these deep waters. It ain't no excuses on the bowl. The same old song. No excuses on the bowl. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm going to pull it straight back. I'm going to pull it straight back. I'm going to pull it straight back. But I'm going to keep my helmet on. I'm going to keep my helmet on out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, get down.
I see you in the cat house. I see you in the cat house. Have a wonderful weekend.
Today, man. We say we're going to be okay. 766 not coming. 766 not coming, so we'll be good in the cat house. See, normally if 766 go to the cat house, I'm going before that big ass cat nigga. Hey, double nigga, don't leave no autograph. Hey, look here. Ain't no cat big and shorty, but damn if I'm gonna go behind 766. Take care, double nigga. See you in Jolly. Yeah, bye-bye.